So we recently built this Volkswagen mini split bus go-kart. Yeah, we took the body off. One of you guys suggested we should wide body it, and we 3D printed a wide body kit.
Kolla, jävlar. Let's see.
God morgon. These guys, Black Box, they make wide body kits for toy cars. Not just body kits, they make wheels, interiors, engines, exhaust, everything for your toy car. Now get ready for this. This is the brutal kit they made for the Volkswagen bus. And here is a render they made of it. It's absolutely crazy. So upscaled it 1000% and printed it in parts. Glued them together, and now we're gonna fit it. We're gonna sand it, filler, all that, clear coat it, and wrap the parts, and then install them in a like RWB fashion with some silicone edges. And we're gonna bring the wheels out. Yeah, we got a massive wing. Pretty cool. Got the rear diffuser, the intakes. It's amazing how well they fit. Since it's like I just scaled it. We had a 3D scan of the body, so I basically took all the parts into the computer and I tried different scales and see if it fits. And then I found the magic measurement, 1050%. It's not gonna fit perfect because this body wasn't made by the same guys who made a toy car, but it's gonna fit pretty well. And we're gonna have to like sand some and cut some, and we're gonna have to cut in the body, I think. The front too, it's pretty crazy. And the mirrors, it's about 8 centimeters wider than the stock bus. So yeah, something like this. You see, it's not ideal fitment, but it's yeah, we can sand it down and make it work. You know, I've been doing this for a while now, wide bodying cars, so I think I got the hang of it. Shout out to my cats. We're gonna do a time lapse of the fitting, I think. How fitting. But first, for the Swedish viewers, we have a competition. And if you're not in Sweden, you can just fast forward 30 seconds.
Det kanske finns någon kids där ute som också vill ha en liten bil, inte bara vuxna. Så att i betalt samarbete med Mercedes, jag fick betala, så lottar vi ut den här.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event.
Allt du behöver göra är att likea och kommentera videon. And right about here was when I found out that the side skirts were a little too long. But yeah, we made it fit. One side is customized and in place. The diff is not. It's supposed to be like this. Oh yeah, I taped everything up right now, just so we can see shapes. Yeah,
It's gonna be crazy.
I don't know if people realize this. Sometimes I don't even know if I realize it. That this takes several days. Just the fitting. Like maybe 3-4 days. It's very time consuming. And then, in addition to that, comes the part where we have to put down the filler and sand it again. Then I decided to put some paint on one of the sides, just to show a little more of how it's going to look. And we brought it to an event that I can't pronounce in English, but I'll try. Grillkväll made SWK. With the paint on the panels, it's not just easier to see the shapes for you, but it's also easier for me to see all the imperfections and unevenness. So it helps in the process. Yeah, the new bike was a hit. People seem to love it, so I decided to make this new ridiculous shirt design for it. It's online in the merch shop now. Right now there's 20% discount on everything in the shop. So stay free, ride hard, and God bless this guy. Here's a little edit with clips from the entire event.